Hi, today we will learn about consolidate and linking with source data. Now let's understand first why the situation is generated. I have purposely taken three sheets and I want to calculate, or you may say I want to merge the data that is available in sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay, so let's understand this why we need to consolidate the data. Suppose I am having a store one data, that is a mobile store, a company which is having 3 or 4 stores in different areas. And in the Jan, Feb, March and April, for the products like Samsung, Honor, Xiaomi, it has different sales for a particular store. And the company wants to know the sale of a particular product for the month of Jan, for the month of Feb, and for the month of March in a separate sheet. If you observe carefully, then you will able to see that in store 1 I'm having data like this, where the column headers are like Jan, Feb, March, April, and the row header are like, just highlight this, and row headers are like this, where different items are like Samsung, Honor Mobile, Xiaomi, Vivo and Lenovo. And in the second sheet, which I have purposely taken and stored is names like store 2, it is having the different data for this sheet. That means for Samsung, it has sold 10 quantity in the month of Jan, and the month of Feb 3, in the March 20 and in April 20. And in store 3, that means in sheet 3, we are having the same column headers and row headers, but the data is different. And we want to know the sale of a particular mobile, let's say Samsung or Honor, and we want to know the sale in the month, for the month of January, in a separate sheet. Previously we had worked with 2D sum, that means we have calculated the sum row wise or column wise. Now for example, for a particular store, if we want to know the sale for the month of Jan for all the products, now for that what do we need to do is, if we want to calculate the sum for the month of Jan, then we have to apply the formula of sum, and you will see that the particular store has sold 155 quantity of the mobiles. So if we want to know for a single sheet, that if we want to know the sale of a Samsung mobile for the month of Jan to March or April, Jan to April, then what we can do for this, you have to apply the formula of sum, that is auto sum I am applying here, and you will be able to know the sale for the month of Jan, Feb, March and April in this way. So this is what we call horizontal sum. This is horizontal sum and this is vertical sum. We can do easily in the same sheet, but what if we want to calculate the sum of a particular item for the data that has been kept in separate sheets, like in sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay, we are having the same products, the same number of rows and the same number of column, the same column headers, and we want to know the sale of a product, let's say Samsung. How can we do that? So this is very simple. Let's see how can we do. Go to the other sheet. I have purposely formatted the data, and I have taken the row and the headers, row headers and column headers, and I want to know the sale of a product Samsung. So let's apply the formula of sum here, but be sure that the data you want to calculate the sum for which, like this is the data for Samsung and it has been kept in the cell B2, and we are going to calculate the sum of Samsung mobile. So data must start from the same cell's address. That means the position of the data that you are going to calculate should be at the same position. This is the restriction while applying the formula and while calculating the sum for this data. This is the restriction. We will talk about it later. If we don't want to do in this way, we will talk about it later. This is consolidation, but let's see first how we calculate the sum for this. Now apply the formula. For this you need to start from the different sheets. As the data for Samsung Mobile, that means sale for the Samsung Mobile for the month of January is starting from the cell B2. So I will apply the formula with the cell B2. Just put the sign of is equal to, write sum, bracket stars. Now go to sheet 1, which is store 1, and take this cell reference, that is B2, and I want to calculate all the cells of different sheets and the cell address is B2. So for this you need to press the shift button, and while pressing the shift button you have to click up to store 3. Now if you clearly see the formula, that is we are calculating the sum of store 1 to store 3 and of which cell? B2. Now once you press enter, you will get the sum. Right now I am getting 55. Let's see whether it is correct or wrong. In store 1 for the month of Jan, Samsung data is 25. Keep it in your mind, 25 and 10, 35. Now in sheet 3, 35 and 20, that is 55. Now where we have put the formula, we have got the result 55. That is absolutely correct. And for the rest of the cells you can do it easily. You just need to drag and fill the option. This is how we can drag and fill for the rest of the cells, so that you may be able to get the result for all those cells. And if you want, we have done it this wise. So if you want to done for the rest of the cell, if you want to do it for the rest of the cell, you just need to drag and fill column wise. So if you keep your cursor in any cell, then you will be able to see the formula in the formula cell. Sum store 1 to store 3, only the cell addresses changes. Cell addresses change. So this is how you can know the sum for the data that has been stored in different sheets. But the restriction that we have seen here is the data should be at the same position. It should start from the same position, that is in sheet 1. It should exactly starts with the same position on the sheet 2, and for the store 3 they should be the same. So what if our data is not at the same position? This is not exactly happens when we are doing data entry job or when we are working. Data may be at different position. So for in that case what we do, this is called consolidation. Yes, we can do it by consolidating the data. Let's see how we can do this. For example, our data in the sheet 1 is not here and our data is here. Okay. And in sheet 2 it is at the different position, and we want to calculate the sum of, or we want to know the sale of all the products in a separate sheet. So and in sheet 3 this data is at different position, like you may say here. This is a bit far away. Okay, this is okay. Okay, so we are having the data. This is sheet 1's data, this is sheets 2 data, second sheet, and this is third sheet's data. And I want to consolidate all the data that has been kept in all these sheets, and I want to know the sales of all the products for the month of Jan, Feb, March, and so on. So how we can do is go to a separate sheet. I have named this sheet as consolidation, and put your cursor. Now let's see how consolidate works. How can we consolidate the data? For this, place your cursor anywhere in the cell where you want your consolidate data. I am putting my cursor in A1 cell, and for this you need to go to data option, data tab, and you will see here consolidate option. Just go to it, and if you see any reference here, just delete all the references. If you see in a dialog window that there is a function tab where you will find so many formulas, whichever formula you want to apply you can use that. Right now I want to calculate the sum, so I would like to go for the option sum. And the next option, it is asking for the reference you want to give, that means for which you want to calculate. So for this, just go to sheet 1 and select the data and go to red down arrow, add it, and go again, click on the down red arrow and do the same process for the second sheet. Select this data that has been kept in the second sheet. Now press the red down arrow and just add the option. Just click on add. You will see 2 sheets have been added. Now do the same thing for the third sheet. Go to sheet number 3 and select the all data. Be careful that I am selecting all the row headers and the column headers. You have to do it. And press the red down arrow and you will see I have given the reference for the third sheet too. So add it. Now see, in the third tab we will see use labels. As I want to calculate the sum for the data, not for the row header and the column, so you need to check these options, top row and left column. And this is create links to source data. This I would like to tell you that if you make any changes in the source file, that means if we change any of the data that has been kept in sheet 1, sheet 2 or sheet 3, whichever changes I will make, the same will be applied to my result data, that means my consolidated data. So if you want to see the changes, just click this option and your link will be made with the source data. So click this option. So see, I have got my data. Let's see, which is also linked with the source data. Now let's see if the result is correct or not. For the month of Jan, I have got the result 55 for mobile Samsung. Now let's see, Samsung is quantity sold out for the month of Jan is 25, 20 and 10, 25 and 10, 35, and in sheet 3 this is 20. The 20 plus 35 is 55. So I've got the result 55, that is also okay. Let's check for another cell. Like for the month of Feb, just calculate it. For the Feb in sheet 1, that is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 12 is 16. Let's see in consolidation sheet, it is 16. So our data is perfectly calculated for all of the products. So this is our data. Now you can see in the very left side you will able to see the plus sign. Now if you click on it, it will open. These are called grouping. Now if you see, this will say consolidate. That means for the month of Jan it was 25, then 10 on the second sheet, then 20 on the third sheet. That means for the Samsung mobile it is consolidating the data for all the sheets. So this way you can see the different sheets data too, and if you click on it again it will be hiding. Now if you click on the second row, then you will see for the Honor mobile consolidate data for the other sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, and you will get 87 as the result for this sheets. So this is how consolidate and linking works but we are working for the data that is having the same column and same header. So this is how you can consolidate your data that has been kept in different sheets. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.